Hello, happy Tuesday. Welcome to my ICO Gold Rush passive income system week 6 results. A bit of a mouthful in it, but anyway. So fresh off the webinar 36 last night, so 36 straight Monday night webinars, including Christmas Day, and it was New Year's Day if I remember too. Great webinar last night. So we'll talk more about the potential coins, and coins that we've already jumped into. We've pretty much ranked the coins. So a lot of us, okay, when you jump into the passive income system, you don't have to do the coins everyone's doing. Now, sometimes it's a bad thing, sometimes it's a good thing. Sometimes you can miss out on the good ones, sometimes you miss out on the bad. I won't say bad, but not so performing as well. Now, this is what happens, right? So the idea is we bring out 2 coins every week to earn us passively, because we need to diversify. Now, it's like ICOs, which you learn in our education suite. They're not all going to be winners. Now, we do our best to teach you as good as we can to be able to pick, not pick apart, but you should be able to notice the good ones and the bad ones. Now, with the passive income system, it's a little bit harder, but to pick them. So that's why we diversify. Now, when I say there's obviously kick-ass projects, kick-ass upgrades, and not so good performing wise. Now, that's just the way it is. Okay, so it can start off good, and then it can start going down a little bit. Now, that can be caused because of market. It could be caused because they haven't implemented a roadmap. It could be because there could be enough reasons. There could be a lot of reasons. It could be a wallet issue. There's different reasons why it can perform and why it can't. Now, some have gone. I won't say they're not down, or they're down in price in the return. Like, the returns are still coming back. You're still getting enough coins, but the price is down. Now, that can be because of the market as well, okay? Because Bitcoin's doing whatever it wants to do as usual. We got up to that 9, looked like nearly hit to 10,000. Now it's come back down to 8, or about 8,000 something. So it's just one of those things. It's a patience game. It's a long-term play. So you might look at results, and everyone's at different positions too. You've got to think of that too. So some people got deeper pockets to start with, and that's okay. It's got nothing, that's fine. Okay, everyone's at a different spot, and then you just come in with what you can afford to lose. Okay, so there's a risk with everything as usual. I will say I'll say the risk is better with this than I reckon in any program. Anyway, I put it that way. That's what I'm seeing from my results. Yeah, so let's just get into it. I'll show you my results for week 6. So week 6, so my first coin, obviously coin 1, returned 128.4. So it returned just under 0.9 of an extra coin that week. Total received now is 869, and I actually sold some of this. Now I will tell you why in a minute. Second coin is a slow paying coin, but it's definitely more stable. So if you haven't seen any of my other videos, we've got faster coins and slower coins, or faster upgrades or slow upgrades. Now, the slower ones are definitely a long-term play. They also cost a bit more usually, but they also pay slower, but obviously you're getting more when you sell it, okay, depending on the market, obviously. So the faster coins, yes, I sold some of that. The slower coin I'm actually holding at the moment, and the third coin was another fast one. So that one's not too bad. It's paid out 22.64, so we've actually gone up in rewards a little bit for that one. Total of 42.80. I've actually sold all those this week. I just need some more extra cash, so that's why I've done it. Now, it's coin 4. We're waiting again for another week. Okay, so this can happen. It's just one of those things. Okay, so it's all good. So next week we should have decent results for that. And coin 5. Now, this is why I've cashed out a little bit. Not too much, just a little bit of what I've got. So I cashed out 0.00754517 BTC. That's only about $70. Okay, $70 US. Now, why I've done that? Maybe a little bit of impatience, but also I need to build up as much as I can now, because coin 5 and the 2 coins on offer this week. One is the top performing coin that we start. Well, I think it was like first or second week in. So a lot of us missed out on this coin. This coin actually I think a lot of people buy when it come out, they're buying it for $1 something. It's already gone up to a peak of $7 this week. Maybe the end of last week it was. It's gone now. It's going back down a little bit. There's a bit of FUD going around about wallets, etc. It doesn't matter. But it doesn't matter. The project is a long-term. They have a wicked plan. Their plan is A1, the roadmap. So good advertising on, like good marketing with them as well. And yeah, so it's a winner. So the boys have caved into pressure, a bit of peer pressure, and they've brought it back. Now the trick now is to buy it at the right price. So it's gone down a little bit. I've noticed yesterday because of the FUD about a certain wallet. So now it's just picking the right time to buy it. So if it can get down to $3, I'll be stoked. But if it doesn't matter. I've already bought a little bit last couple of days. Maybe not too high. It was alright, around about $5. But I'm hoping if it get down to 3, I'll be even paying 4. But I need to. The idea is to now buy, and we know that this is a top performance, and now's the time to buy it. Now they've given us 3 weeks, so this is awesome. So it also means buying pressure is a bit off. It means not everyone's like going to go out, gun ho and buy it, push the price up. So we're trying to extend it out a little bit, and this will give an opportunity for everybody to jump in. Okay, so because a lot of us didn't jump into it, and big mistake. So that's why sometimes it's good you can skip one, but sometimes if you miss a project like that, you're going to be kicking yourself in the ass, which a lot of us did. Okay, coin 6 is. I don't know if it's really. I don't know whether to put it into a fast or a slow category. It looks alright. I need to do more research on it. So it's cheaper to get into that one. So we'll see how I go. But yeah, that's all I got today, guys. That's my results. So I've taken a little bit out. I held last week only because the market was down a bit. And now I think I took it at the right time yesterday. But I took a little bit out. Now I'm going to add some of my mining, because I've got mining obviously as well. So I'm going to add some of my mining with the money I've taken out this week and jumping into the top performing coin. So guys, that's all I got for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And other than that, guys, I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.